Hello. Our today's special is a side dish. Banana stem stir fry. Typical Kerala side dish for lunch. Usually most of us either do not know how to cook it or we just throw it away. This video is dedicated to those people. And also we will tell you its health benefits. First of all, we will cut the banana stem into small circles and remove threads from it with finger. For speed, you need some practice. But the job never demand any hurry. Take own time. So we did the cutting job well. Now the second job is to chop it to tiny pieces. So we will collect all circles into one and chop them finely. Some of you may feel it's little hard. If so, you could try some electric chopper. Now we will share some health benefits of banana stem. It's the rich source of natural fibers, which will help in weight loss and control diabetes. For the best effect, use banana stem as a juice in the morning. But if you want it tasty, you just need to follow these steps. It's also the rich source for vitamin B6. It helps in increase the production of insulin in our body. And have good amount of potassium too. It's also an essential mineral for our body. And it also includes things which help to detoxify your body. If you are suffering from kidney stone, it's a good remedy. It helps to melt the stones. Hope now you may got, banana stem is not useless thing as you thought. Okay, we have chopped it fine. Next we have to do is, just wash it well and drain water and keep it aside. Next job is to cook tur dal. You can use green gram or red cowpeas as your mind says. Whatever you use, cook it well and keep it aside. These lentils are good source of proteins. Now we will prepare our coconut masala. We need 1½ cup of grated coconut. Mix 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of red chili powder. Combine everything well. In a pan, heat some oil. Add a teaspoon mustard seeds. When it starts to spurts, add urad dal. Saute it for a minute. When the color of urad dal starts to change, add curry leaves and dry red chilies and saute it. Now we have to add chopped banana stem and mix well. We have to cook it enough. So let it cook it closed. When it cooked enough, add coconut masala mix and combine well. Add enough salt, mix well. Finally, we will add cooked tur dal too. And let us cook it for some more time. Okay, it's all done. Our banana stem stir fry is ready. We will meet again in our next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe it and share the video. Thank you.